Back in 2023, Honor unveiled the Honor Pad X9, followed by the Pad X9a in 2025. If you thought the company was done with the lineup, it has now surprised everyone by introducing another model in the series called the Honor Pad X9 Max. Announced in the UK. The new tablet brings a large 13-inch display, a 10,100 mAh battery, Android 16, and a Snapdragon chipset. Here's everything you need to know about its specifications, features, and pricing. The Honor Pad X9 Max has a 13-inch LCD screen with a resolution of 2500 by 1560 pixels, a 120 Hz refresh rate, 700 nits of HBM brightness, and support for 1.07 billion colors. The screen also offers a paper-like viewing mode, DC dimming, TD Rhineland certifications for low blue light and flicker-free viewing, and an 88% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the tablet is powered by the Snapdragon SiXS 4G Gen 2 chipset. It comes up to 6 GB of RAM and up to 256 GB of storage, with support for microSD cards up to 2 TB. Keeping the device running is a 10,100 mAh battery, with support for 45W fast charging. Honor says the battery can deliver up to 16 hours of video playback or up to 13 hours of reading on a single charge. The Pad X9 Max runs MagicOS 10 based on Android 16 and includes features such as AI Memo, desktop-style file management, and cross-platform file sharing with Android, iOS, HarmonyOS, Windows, and macOS devices. The tablet offers a 5-megapixel rear camera with autofocus and a 5-megapixel front-facing camera. Other features include 4 speakers with IMEX enhanced support, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.1, USB Type-C, and support for the optional Honor Magic Pencil 4 stylus and smart Bluetooth keyboard. Finally, it features a slim aluminum body measuring 297.62 by 192.72 by 6.72 mm and weighs approximately 618 grams. The Honor Pad X9 Max is available in gray. In the UK, the 4GB plus 128GB variant is priced at £349.99, $470, while the 6GB plus 256GB model costs £449.99, $600. The tablet is currently listed on Honor's UK website, although sales have not yet begun. The company has not announced any launch offers or availability details for other markets at this time.